Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, or if you're new to the channel, welcome. And welcome to a new analysis of WSM, or the Wall Street Memes token. Not the pre-sale anymore. I'm sorry. I'm not calling it that anymore. People did not like it, so my sincere apologies. But yeah, we'll do a full analysis on WSM again. I've been covering this daily for the last, I'm not sure, well, basically since it launched. So for the last week or so. I think it's still valuable at this point of time. It's still very volatile. It's in the middle of a interesting trend, I would say. At some point of time, I will not cover it daily anymore. I mean, at some point of time, people are just not interested anymore. But for now, I do think there's still value. And I do think at this moment that WSM is actually at a key area where the reaction to that area, to that level, is going to determine the next price action. So yeah, a lot to talk about. Before we dive into that, I do want to briefly tell you right now that I'm partnered with BingX. All right, BingX is a cryptocurrency exchange. Most of you know them, but the main reason why I partnered with them, because a lot of exchanges reach out to me, is that BingX is actually great to use for derivatives. So if you're trading both on spots, but also futures, low fees, low funding fees. There's a lot of information on the funding fees as well, which I think is very good. And there's a lot of liquidity, all right? So you can trade a lot of coins and you can trade them easily at good prices. So check it out. Links will be down in the description. If you sign up now, you'll actually get $50 in a bonus, and they have great campaigns apart from that as well. So a lot of free USDT you can actually win by signing up right now if you haven't signed up before. So check that out. But for now, let's get into WSM. So the thing is that yesterday in the update, because I have been covering it daily, like I said, what I said is that, all right, WSM has broken above 6 cents, which is great. That was a bit of bullish confirmation, but most of it was probably due to the bullish momentum coming from Bitcoin. So what I said in the video, if you remember, what I said is that we would need to break above 6.2 cents again. And what happened yesterday is that the price did get there, but it rejected that level and started dropping down. And then it dropped down towards that level, and I said, well, if it drops down, if it cannot break above that, it's more likely that it will fall, because in the end, after this big drop on Saturday and Sunday, that was major bearish confirmation. And now you can see some sort of a bearish market structure starting to come about. And that looks like the most likely scenario. Now, before we talk a little bit more about that market structure and what that means for the price of WSM, I do want to tell you that Wall Street Memes have announced buyback programs and stuff. If they announce that again, if they actually start purchasing it, price will not react to technicals. All right, I think most of you already know this, but technical analysis can be great, but it can also, like if something fundamentals happens, like a buyback, all of a sudden, it will not work. All right, so you should be cautious about that. In general, I would not short WSM, especially not right now. Maybe after some time, because I do think with all the staking rewards and stuff, at some point of time, it will probably drop down quite a lot. But not yet for now, because to get back to the technicals, like I said, we're getting to a major support level right now, and that's this level. 5 cents is not even that strong. It's really around 4.5 cents. So we're getting back to that level right now. And the reaction to that level is going to matter a lot, because from there, what's theoretically possible is that WSM finds support and gets a bullish breakout and starts rallying again. For me, we would need to break out above at least 5.5 cents for something like that to happen. And I would not say that's the most likely scenario, especially not without any confirmation for that. It's just a scenario. I have to say right now that the most likely scenario is probably that we'll drop down to 4.5, that will find support there, maybe get up to 5.5 cents, but eventually respect the market structure, close down below it, and drop down towards these levels right here around 4 and 3.7 cents. Looks like the most likely scenario, but like I said, I would never short WSM. With the buyback programs and with the potential of a rally, a lot is possible. At this point of time, though, there's no indication of that bullish momentum. And that's why I'm telling you that this is the most likely scenario. Now, I'll keep you updated on this. Let me know if you like these daily updates for longer. But for now, it's my take on WSM. So thank you for watching. Have a great day and bye.